Hello everyone. In social studies, today's topic is the earth. In this topic, I will explain you what is a map, what is equator, what is latitude and what is longitude. So let us start. Map of India. You can see? Yes. Okay. Now tell me, what is a map? A map is a drawing of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. A cartographer is a person who draws maps. The entire surface of the earth or even a tiny part of it can be shown on a map. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. And who is cartographer? A cartographer is a person who draws maps. A map helps us to find out the location of a place. It also gives us information about the best way to get there. What is equator? In this picture, you can see a center line. This center line is called equator. Now you can see it clear. The red line is showing equator. Equator divides the earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Northernmost point of the earth is called the North Pole and the southernmost point is called the South Pole. Latitudes. What is latitudes? You can see some lines. These lines are known as latitudes. What are latitudes? A number of lines are drawn parallel to the equator. These lines go from west to east, up to the North Pole and down to the South Pole. These lines are called parallels of latitude or latitudes. These lines never meet each other. They go around the earth. All latitudes are marked in degrees and measured north of south of the equator. There are 180 parallels of latitude. There are 90 latitudes to the north of the equator and 90 latitudes to the south of equators. Now you can see together longitudes and latitudes. Straight lines are presenting longitudes. What are longitudes lines? Longitude line is showing from north to south pole. Look at the map of the world. This is the map of the world. You will find many lines drawn from the North Pole to the South Pole. These are called meridians of longitudes or longitudes. They meet at the poles. There are 360 meridians of longitudes in all. There are two important longitudes. They are the prime meridians and the international dateline. Remember, the longitudes and latitudes are imaginary lines. They are drawn by cartographers. Now you can see here prime meridian line. What is prime meridian? The prime meridian is marked 0 degrees Celsius. This runs through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich, UK. It is also called the Greenwich Meridian. There are 180 longitudes to the east and 180 longitudes to the west. These are prime meridian. Longitudes and latitudes help you to locate a place on a map. Prime meridian. You can see the picture of prime meridian here. The international dateline. These lines are showing international dateline. The international dateline. On the other side of the earth, opposite to the prime meridians, is 180 degrees Celsius east and 180 degree at west. These two lines overlap. So, these lines are one and the same. This is called the international dateline. Thank you.